Welcome to Mindzita, Tech Simplified Dreams Amplified. In this video, I'll show you how to make a sticky header in your WordPress website. Let's begin. Before we start, let's quickly check your current header. Go to your website, scroll down the page, and see if the header stays at the top. If it disappears when you scroll, then your header is not sticky. And today I'll show you how to fix that using the Sticky Header Effects for Elementor plugin. In WordPress admin, go to Plugins New, Add New. In the search box, type Sticky Header Effects for Elementor. Install the plugin, and then click Activate. Now the plugin is ready to use. To apply sticky effects, next go to your header section. Select Header. Click Edit with Elementor. Your header will open inside the Elementor editor. Now let's turn on the sticky header effect. Click on the header section at the very top, in the left panel. Click on Advanced and then go to the tab, Sticky Header Effects. Now enable these settings. Enable Sticky Header. Turn on the Enable Sticky Header option. Choose Sticky On. Select where you want the sticky header to work: desktop, tablet, mobile. Choose all devices if you want it everywhere. Scroll distance. Set how far the page scrolls before the header becomes sticky. Example, 50 to 100 px. Once done, click Publish. Now visit your website and scroll up and down. You can see that the header becomes sticky now, but the background is transparent. Next, we have to add the background color. Go to the settings, turn on the background color option. Select the color which you want to add. Once done, click Publish. Now visit your website and scroll up and down. You can see the sticky header is working perfectly. And that's it. If you run into any issues to make a sticky header in WordPress, contact us at info@mindzita.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.